very big size. I hope it's not a topic you're trying to remove. No, it's of a common size. Okay. The topic of this guy is, you can tell the greatness of a man by what makes him angry.
Assalamu alaikum to everyone. Starting with the holy name of Allah, who is Rahman Rahim, and who is the monarch for this entire world. Then I would like to thank my parents, who born me and who nourished me. Then my teacher, who make me able in front of you. And right now, I'm going to worship among you guys. My topic is just like that. You can tell the greatness of a man by what makes you angry. If I talk about, you can tell the greatness of a man by what it makes you angry. There is just a one sense. Makes him angry. If I talk about, there is just a one sense which I'm giving right now. That really, you can tell the greatness when you are saying that today I came here and I'm making myself better and I'm proving myself. That time everybody will come and say me that really this is your weakness. No, right now at this point she was weak, but I'm not here to listen them because my greatness which is made by my teacher and my parents who said me, no, you are the best. Then I'm not here to see the rest because I'm the best around in this cage. That's what I'm fighting, and that's the thing I'm saying. No, what makes me happy? That is the word of my parents and my teacher, and I'm not here to be angry by the words of you and by the words of this crowd who are from the rest, but I am from someone who made me this able, who made me able. That's what I'm standing here, and right now I want to give some words are coming from my heart. That 9 planets will salute my soul. The 7 wonders will be wondered over the bravery of this Pakistani lion. The 7 continents will miss this Asian tiger. You will see Tipu Sultan, Salahuddin Ayyubi and Muhammad bin Qasim inside me. Because I will swim in the ocean of pride, the devil inside of me will have died. Thank you, that's all.
You are talking about Mr. Ayyubi, that I will see in you, but I see that era when it was the donkey in you, and really you are doing good. If you are talking about that I will not see the rest because someone, my inspiration, called me the best. I really like to say that. If you ask, so black person is there, a nigger person is there, and he asks from the mother, how am I looking? Of course mother will say that you are my prince, or you are the king, you are the beautiful. The people that love you, they don't want to hurt you more. And that's why they call you the best. And you think, I am the best, I am the king. Where is my crown, lady? Where is my crown? Oh my God. First, come on your topic. If you are talking about that, yes, I will leave others people. I really like to say, voting does matter. That there are so many people, they comes around you, they change you. Do you know, here if we talk about a land, even the land area changes the prices. If I say that one building is built in the good environment, and here having a more cost, having so much expensive than the building which is built not in the good environment, because environment does affect. And really I like to say that environment does affect, and the angerness which you are bringing, a bad man always be angry more.
She called me donkey because I'm speaking right. So today I said this is my greatness which I'm showing, and for what you are making me angry, you are saying that you are donkey like this. I'm not here to listen your words, what you are going to say, but I learned whatever I'm speaking. Miss Fatma, I haven't learned to stand on podium and hit out of a stadium because my shots are not medium. Miss.
for me. And here, I really like to say, I am not talking about caring each other. Do you know that here, when there is any a small baby, even of a one day, even of a one sec, but with the sense of mother's love, can understand that who is my mother and who is my enemy. And that was the love which was in us. And here, I really like to say, which thing is making you angry? Which thing that we are saying you that your rightness here, if you stand in the mirror and it shows you the reality, it is not the fault of the mirror, it is the fault of you. You don't want to accept it. And here, I really like to say that before era, we were too much happy. We were not having a rocket. We were not having so much big plan. We were not having even, and now we don't have even 9 planets. We have 8 planets. One Pluto has already almost destroyed. And here, I really like to say that now the love has disappeared because the angerness has taken the place.
Is it working? Miss, what are you saying? What I have said, that I came. Really, my mother was praying before when I reached over here. So what I'm saying, my mother and my parents and my teacher want, I should be a champion. I'm not talking about the rest of, right now you are saying that if a nigga man is there, really his mother, whatever she will say, my son is beautiful. For what I am saying, my mother will say, my son can be the best among the rest. So I'm trying to make you understand and you are saying the same. The nigga people will come. Miss, what are you trying to say? If you cannot understand the gentleman answers, then you cannot give me any question because you know 6 will go out of the boundary and really this girl is standing on the boundary and out of the boundary and catching a 6. Yeah, I got it. Really, this was a shot. Miss, what I am trying to say, you are not ready to understand. Miss, right now, some words I will also give you. How can I be ever in your favor when you will get one on your chin? You forget to win. By applying nail polish on your nails, you can make them like tiger nails. By one dialogue of Bilo, you will be down. I want you to come till next question, but not next round. Miss, you are being beaten like Khabib, but you are being beaten like Michael Johnson by Khabib. I'm not cheap. I will put you so deep.